Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Hello, assalamu alaikum teacher.
Walaikum salam everyone. Other student join the class. I will start the class. C is joining us. Okay. 5 green students never joined the class. Few students join only. Aisha Ilyas. Who else is from 5 green? Raise the hand. 5 green student raise the hand. Only Aisha Ilyas. Fahad is from 5 red. Shamir. Okay. Mubashir is from 5 green. Okay. Ahmed Afzal is from 5 green. Fine. Hasib, you are from 5 green? Okay. Batul Mal, bete, why don't you log in with your own name? When you join, na, join with your own name. Don't log in with the mama number or mama name. When you enter ID now, over there is an option to write your name. Over there, write your own name. अपना नाम लिखा करें बेटे. You should log in with your own name. Okay, beta, I'm sharing a rule. From Monday, I won't be allowing anyone after 4 past 5. 5 minutes I'll be giving you. After that, I will lock my class. I will not admit the student. Because few students join very late, so they create issue. Okay, Zainab Zafar, I'm unmuting you. Please recite the surah bete quickly.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين. صدق الله العظيم.
Bete. Hamad, what happened with your mic, bete? Subhanallah, Zainab Zafar, please open the camera of yours. Ahmed Afzal, Uzaifa. ये अम्माद आप कैमरे के साथ खेल रहे हैं? Stop playing. Okay, everyone, you should have the notebook with you and a pencil to note down today's lecture. Only 2 students out of 5 green. Okay, I'm starting the class. Today we'll be doing the new topic as we have done the writing topic and application writing. We did 2 grammar topics, adverb, word class. The second was preposition. Then we did 1 writing topic and application writing. That is a formal writing. Be attentive, Fahad. Fine. Now today we are doing the new grammar topic, that is homophone, homonym and homographs. Before starting the topic, I really request you to take out the worksheet set. Do take out the worksheet set of yours. Okay. Assalamu alaikum, Wafa bete. Open the camera, beta. Batul Umar, who is this, please? One side you're logging with the mother name. Second, you don't open the camera. Please open camera and be attentive. Huzaifa, open the camera. And be attentive nearby me. Okay. In your worksheet set, which you received from the school, the topic is mentioned about the homonyms. Is that so? Raise the hand. So I want everyone to cut the heading homonym and add over their homophones. Everyone should do quickly. In all the worksheet where it's written homonym, cut the heading homonym and write homophone. The heading is incorrect. Yes, my dear, don't show it to me, just do it quickly. Huzaifa, excuse me. You're not allowed to close the camera, otherwise I will skip you from the class. Get the word of mine. If now you close now, I will remove you. Be attentive nearby me. Everyone, quickly do out that. Cut the heading homonym and write over there homophone. H-O-M-O-P-H-O-N-E-S. In all the worksheet. There are 4 or 5 worksheet about it. But the heading is incorrect. Do write the correct heading. Quickly do it so. Done? Okay. Now open the rough copy or notebook of yours. Quickly. Raise the hand if you have done so. Have you cut the heading? Done? Cut the heading? Very good, Aisha. Who else done so? Very good, Ahmad. Shami done? Very good. Excellent. Janab done? Good job. Hasib, very good, Ahmad. Superb job. Fahad done? Excellent. Yes, Batul Umar. Okay, done. Very good. Batul Umar, message me the name of yours, your class and section. What is your name? Write your name. Message me. Your name, class, section, and present teacher, please. You log in with the mama's name, beta. How could I get it? Very nice. Excellent job. I got you all. Okay, my dear. I'm sharing my screen. Let me check first Batul's. What is the name of Batul? Ali Ahmad. Thank you, Ali Ahmad. Otherwise, I'll be calling you Batul Umar. Okay. Okay, I'm extremely sorry, beta. Okay, I'm sharing the screen right now. Okay. This is my screen. Let me change the setting or okay. Done. Are you able to look at the screen? Raise the hand, Aisha bete. Okay, Fahad, please open the camera of yours. I'm looking at you. So please don't close camera. Ali Ahmed, you as well. I want everyone to be attentive right now and listen it. Do not close camera. Okay. You know, the 3 topics which we are doing today, those are connected to each other. So they are really confusing as well. Okay. Homonym. This is our topic which we will do today. Homonym is a word that is spelled the same. Spelled same mean it has the same spelling, but the different definition. Spelling are same, sound is also same, but the meaning is completely different. The meaning is completely different. For example, B-A-T, bat. Bat is a bird as well. B-A-T, bat. Bat is a bat as well, which you used to play. Are you getting it? to weigh on a scale. We use to measure, यानी वजन करने के लिए जो इस्तेमाल करते हैं स्केल, ठीक है. But the scale of a fish, उसकी जो स्किन होती है स्केल, उसको भी कहते हैं किसकी, मछली की स्किन को. Look at that, spelling are same as well as the sound is same. Bat, bat, scale, scale, but the meanings are different. Homonyms are the word. They have the same sound. They have same spelling, but they are different in meaning. The meanings are completely different. Did you get that? Raise a hand. Then I'll be moving forward. Umair got it, homonyms? Umair bete, I told everyone from the worksheet sat, there is a topic homonym. Cut the topic homonym from there and write the adding homophone. In the worksheet sat, there is a topic homonym. Wherever it's written homonym, cut the topic, write homophones. That is incorrect heading in all worksheets. But I'll be guiding you all three. Hasib, very good. Ahmad, very good. Zainab, very good. Okay, Ahmad, excellent job, Ete. Okay, you got that. Okay, I'm moving forward. My second adding is homophones. Look at homophones. The similarity, you should look at that. And what is the difference? This you have to observe. In homophones, the words sound same. Fine. But they have different spelling and different meaning. One thing is same, only sound is same. आवाज एक जैसी होगी, लेकिन मीनिंग और स्पेलिंग अलग अलग होगी. Clear? Okay, there are several examples of that. Fine. So मतलब देखना, सौ मतलब आरी भी होता है. There are several things that is homophone and homonyms. You should look at the similarity. What are the similarity and what are the things that are completely different in that. So in homonyms, two things are similar. Spelling are similar, sound are similar, but meaning is different in homonym. But in homophones, only one thing is same. Kya? That is a sound. In homophones, sounds are same, but two things are different. क्या चीज मुख्तलिफ है? Spelling and meaning. Okay, the third thing is homographs. In homographs, spelling are same, but sound and meanings are different. Here as well, we have two things that are different. You know, in homophone as well, two things are different. And in homographs as well, two things are different. In homophones, spelling and meaning are different. But in homographs, sound and meanings are different. Am I clear? Raise a hand. Are you getting it? Everyone, are you noting this? I'll be giving you in homework as well to read out more in detail. So no need to pen down the lecture. Don't pen down. You should only understand this. What are the difference between these three? The example of homograph. He would never desert his family. Here, it's mean that the person will not leave his family, will not give up his family. वो अपने family को, अपने खानदान को नहीं छोड़ेगा. But look at the second example. He enjoyed wandering the desert. उसने enjoy किया, कहाँ घूमना? Desert, रेगिस्तान, सहरा में घूमना. Very good. Did you get that? Okay. You want to ask? As if you wish to ask? Okay. Unmute yourself.
टीचर इसको वर्कशीट पे करना है रफ कॉपी में
Bete, right now you should understand only. Write only 3 headings. Homographs, homophones, homonyms. Right heading.
थैंक यू टीचर
This we are doing. This whole lecture I'll be messaging you through university. You will get this lecture. So you should not worry about it. As I already told you how to check out things from university. So whatever I'm doing, the recorded session, you will be getting it. The lecture, you will be getting it. So no need to worry about it. Just understand the class. What are we doing? Is this clear?
यस
And do practice with me. Understanding me, practice with me. Okay.
ओके
Shamil, you got that? Raise the hand, bete. Got that. Okay. Hamad, you wish to ask anything? If you wish to ask, raise the hand. Fahad, wait. Okay, Fahad is raising hand. Wait, wait. Ahmad, Parva and Fahad, wait. Let me find first Fahad. Where is Fahad? Fahad, unmute.
टीचर मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरा माइक सही हो गया आप जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे मैं बोल दूंगा
What did you say in a hurry? What did you
Teacher,
say?
I am saying that teacher, I am saying that my mic is so good that I will say something.
Okay, that's great. That's a great job. Today you checked it before the class? Very nice. This is the job, no? This is a great job. This means that you are very careful about your class. You're attentive. Very good. A good job, Bete. Yes, okay. Hasif, it's clear? Aisha, Bete, clear? Aisha wish to ask. Aisha, unmute yourself.
टीचर मुझे एक ये पूछ रहा है कि वो होमवर्क है वो आप होमवर्क मिलेगा आज
Bete, I'll be only giving to read thoroughly. This overall lecture you have to read thoroughly. Whatever I have make you understand. Clear? Not to do anything. Because I already have given you 2-3 written work now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So no more written assignment. Till Monday you have to do the previous assignment. Aisha, unmute yourself. Unmute, dear. Now ask the question.
Teacher, what is the meaning of he would never desert his family?
Bete, here desert mean nahi chodega. Desert mean not to. He will not leave. Leave. L-E-A-V-E. Leave. Give up karna, chodna. यहाँ इसकी meaning है he would never leave his family. और he enjoyed wandering desert. वहाँ desert की meaning है सहरा. कि उसने desert में घूमना enjoy किया. Look at that. Desert, both are having the same spelling. The two things are different. Clear?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, who else wish to ask it? Then we will move forward. Zainab, do you wish to ask? Amma, do you wish to ask? Huzaifa, you wish to ask something? Alishma, beta, you joined today. The first class of yours? Beta, Alishma, write present teacher and message me. Yes, Umar, unmute yourself.
Miss, I want to say कि आपने शुरू में क्या था?
Beta, I have started this 3 topic, homophone, homonyms and homographs. I told everyone the worksheet set which you received from the school. From that, you have to cut the topic homonyms. And over there, write the heading homophones. The headings are incorrect over there in the worksheet set. Are you getting it?
Okay.
The worksheet set which you received from the
Yes.
school, in that, cut the heading homonyms. Everyone message me,
Okay.
present teacher. Huzaifa message me, I did not get the message. Wafa message me, present teacher. Umair message me, present teacher. Ahmed Afzal, please message me. Fahad message me. Only Farwa message me. Hamad message me, very good. Quickly, Shamir, do it, please. Umair did it, but please, Umair. Right, present teacher. Zainab, do it. Give attendance. Quickly do it. Very good, Aisha. Ahmad, right, present teacher. Ahmad, please quickly write it. Present teacher. Right, present teacher. Then I will repeat the whole lecture. Yes, done. Still no one, few are not doing it. Farwa bete, you did not write, present teacher. Farwa, write it, okay. Hamad also have written. Hasif, write, present teacher. Hasif, Ahmad, please write. Ahmad, return it. Okay, Zainab Zafar. Zainab, write message bete. Alishma, write, present teacher. And don't close the camera. Do not close the camera, Alishma. Bete, the student who will remove the camera, I will remove them from the class. Get the word of mine. This is the warning which I have given to everyone. Who will close camera, they will not sit in my class. They are not allowed to sit in my class. Okay. Again, I am repeating the whole lecture. Listen it carefully. Homonyms. Homonyms are the words which are having same spelling, same sound. आवाज भी एक सी है, spelling भी एक सी है, but the meanings are completely different. क्या है, मायने अलग अलग हैं. How? For example, the word bat, B-A-T, bat, mean एक परिंदा भी है और the bat ball जो आप खेलते भी हैं. Is that so? Watch, watch, W-A-T-C-H, it means to look, देखना. I watch movie, मैं फिल्म देखती हूँ, ठीक है ना. But watch also mean clock as well. घड़ी को भी कहते हैं. Okay. Scale, scale, scale we use for two meanings. Scale, जो fish की scale होती है, that is. And the second one is scale which we use to measure weight. ठीक है ना. That these are homonyms because same spelling, same sound, different in meaning. ठीक है, मायने मुख्तलिफ हैं, लेकिन एक चीज मुख्तलिफ है, वो क्या है, मायने. But in homophones and in homographs, Aurelia joined too late. Okay, let her join the class. Aurelia, bete, very late you are joining the class. You know, today I told everyone from Monday who will join class after 5:04, they will not be, I will not allow them to take the class. I will not admit them. The last timing is 5:04. Okay, 5 minutes more I'm giving you to join the class. After that, I will not admit you. Clear? So you have to be very much punctual about it. Join the class on time. Because I can't repeat the lecture from the start. Clear? Okay. Again, I'm starting today. We are doing homonyms, homographs, and homophones. In homonyms, we have same spelling, same sound. Meanings are different. Like scale, scale, SCALE. And scale, we use for the skin of fish as well. Okay. I'm sharing a screen. Look at that. Homonyms. Same spelling, same sound, different meaning. Fine. The second thing is homophones. Same sound, but two things are different. Spelling are different and meanings are different. Fahad, what is this? Why you are touching the option right now? What's wrong with you? Sit properly and listen to the lecture. Don't touch any other option. And don't take the control of anything. Don't smile. Get the word of mind. Be serious in taking the class. Don't do any naughty things, any naughty act over here. I'm watching you clearly. What are you doing at the other side? I'm watching you. Don't touch any other option of mine. Okay, everyone, look at the screen. The second heading is homophone. Homophones are the words that sound same but are spelled differently and have different meaning. Okay. Homophones are the words which have different spelling, different meaning, but same sound. Fine. Homographs. Homographs are the word which are having two things different. Sound are different, meaning are different, but spellings are same. This we did today. I'm stopping the sharing. Okay. Now, if you did not get anything, you can ask right now. Please raise the hand who wish to ask the question. And Fahad, it's a warning for you. I did not like the action of yours today. Okay, Farwa wish to ask something. Your smile and your naughtiness is telling everything. Farwa, unmute yourself. Let me unmute you. Yes, done. Unmute yourself, bete.
Teacher, I am asking that when you were teaching us, so my internet problem is coming
No issue,
again and again.
No issue. I understand, Nabita, I understand. Some viewers, no issue, my dear Farwa. I understand this thing. Because nowadays, everyone are having the electricity problem and the internet problem. This we can understand.
And teacher,
yes,
and teacher, I am missing my lecture again and again.
No, you are not missing, my dear. You can check the recording session. The recording, whatever classes I'm taking, go to university. From there, you can check the video recording, the lectures, and we are having the school YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search the school YouTube channel. Easily, you go to your class, click on playlist, and find the recording session. You will get all the lectures. No worries.
Okay.
This is not the big deal, bete. No worries about it. Smile. You will not. I won't allow anyone to miss anything. मैं आपको मिस करने नहीं दूंगी. ठीक है? So don't worry about it. Or even if still you're not getting it, you just ask me during the class time. Excuse, please, students. Who wish to ask anything, raise the hand. Umar, better be attentive, don't close camera. Where did you go? Yes, you wish to ask anything? Okay, Wafa wish to ask. Wafa, okay. Wafa, unmute yourself. Umar, wait, let Wafa ask first. Yes, Wafa, dear.
Teacher, please explain again what is the difference between homograph and homonyms.
Homonyms and homograph में, ठीक है. होमोनिम में दो चीजें एक जैसी हैं और होमोग्राफ में दो चीज अलग हैं. जो होमोनिम्स है उसमें साउंड भी वही है, स्पेलिंग भी सेम है. साउंड भी सेम है, स्पेलिंग भी सेम है, लेकिन मीनिंग्स मायने डिफरेंट है. लाइक BAT बैट, BAT बैट, बैट माने एक परिंदा और बैट माने जो क्रिकेट बैट बॉल वाला नहीं होता. देखिए साउंड भी एक है, स्पेलिंग भी एक है, बट मीनिंग अलग है, मायने अलग है. ओके, होमोग्राफ्स में स्पेलिंग एक सी है, साउंड भी अलग है, मीनिंग भी अलग है. एक का मतलब सहरा था और एक का मतलब गिव अप था, लीफ, छोड़ना, तर्क करना. ठीक है, गॉट इट? उसमें दो चीज अलग है, होमोग्राफ में दो चीज अलग है और होमोनिम्स में दो चीज एक जैसी हैं. इस तरह से याद रखिएगा, होमोनिम्स में दो चीज एक जैसी हैं, ठीक है. होमोफोन्स में और होमोग्राफ में दो चीज अलग अलग हैं, ठीक है.
Yes.
You can remember in this manner. Okay, I'm moving forward. Anyone wish to ask? Please raise the hand. Umar wish to ask. Okay, Umar. Yes, unmute बेटे.
मिस, मैं कह रहा था कि हम लोग उसका स्कूल चैनल स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
Who said to you this?
साहब ने अभी बोला था कि हम लोग के स्कूल का एक यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
बेटे, we have YouTube channel. It doesn't mean that you will be starting going to school. YouTube channel we have. ठीक है? You can search the YouTube channel in YouTube. We do have the school channel over there.
कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं?
Yes, you can subscribe over there. You can watch different movies of different classes about the different topics. Hamad, sign out. Okay. Yes, raise the hand. Anyone? Your class time and now you can message me in university between 5 to 6 p.m. That is my QA time. You can message me over there. Yes, anyone? Everyone clear? Take good care of you. Allah Hafiz everyone. And Fahad, it's a warning for you. Today the action, I did not like it. You know, I don't want to scold any of my students because I love my students a lot. So please, no naughty things, no naughty acts, please. Shamir, yes, quickly unmute yourself. Where are you? Muhammad Shamir. Okay, unmute quickly. Unmute. Yes, ask the question. Shamir, the voice, I'm unable to get that. Okay, you can message me. Message me in university because the next class is started. I have to leave. Please. Fine. Allah Hafiz everyone. Take good care of you.